Welcome to Ommy Exhibits, a premier booth-building company with locations in Las Vegas and Atlanta. Our expansive storage warehouses and state-of-the-art production workshops enable a streamlined process, from planning to execution, ensuring exceptional customer service and meticulous attention to detail. With over a decade of expertise in design, production, material selection, and storage, our team delivers a reliable process tailored to meet ever-changing trade show needs. Starting with modular aluminum frames, custom wooden structures, or a hybrid combination, we create intricate booth designs that command attention on the show floor. In addition to the booth framework, we also craft illuminated dimensional letters, acrylic displays, light boxes, and reception counters. We house a wide variety of furniture as well as a full array of audio-video equipment, including speakers, PA systems, TVs, and fully customizable LED video walls. While our in-house graphics department specializes in trade show booths, we deliver high-quality exhibition prints across multiple platforms with meticulous attention to detail. Our same-day services include silicone edge graphics in both blockout and backlit formats, adhesive vinyl applications, precision printing and cutting for PVC, foam board, and acrylic materials, plus custom RTA vinyl stickers. Every solution is crafted to make your booth the standout attraction on the show floor. As a one-stop solution, Ommy Exhibits is dedicated to meeting all your trade show needs. To learn more, visit our website at ommyexhibits.com or contact us today to elevate your trade show experience.